Welcome to Reviews Plus. Today we're reviewing the Knife Sharpener. So I'm looking for something simple and easy to use on a daily basis when I need to actually sharpen my knife. So this is the product that I found on Amazon, and it's actually like a 3-step tool. So I'll show you now after I open it, but you pretty much do 1, 2, 3, and then the knife is ready for you. So I'm going to unbox the product with you guys. So it's pretty simple, it just comes in a plastic bag. Nothing else is inside the box. And like I said, it has the step one, the prep, the sharpen, and then the finish. So it also has like a non-slip pad on the bottom. So now I'm going to try it by cutting up a tomato and seeing how it works. This is my knife that I want to sharpen. Right now I'm going to just try to cut the tomato, and you can see that it's kind of hard to it's not very easy to cut it. I have to put more pressure. Now I'm going to try the 3 steps and see how it works and if it's easy. Okay, so you're going to start from the back to the front, and it says to just do it a couple of times. So that's what I'm doing now. And you can also already see that there's a difference. And now I'm going to sharpen it. You can see. And then the finish. Alright, so I'm going to be very careful because you can already see that it's different. Okay, so just one more thing that I forgot to mention, that this is actually can be removed. So I guess some of the sharpening can probably go down here, or it's just easier to clean. Okay, so now we're gonna actually try it. Ooh, just went right in. Oh, that's perfect. So now you can do oh look, even just touching it now, it's perfect slices. This actually, I've never had a knife like that, so that's pretty good. So now you don't have to buy those expensive knives. You can just get a nice sharpener. So for my first sharpener, I would say that it's really good. It was very simple to use, and it's something that I would actually recommend to people. One thing I would just say, like a reminder, do clean the knife after sharpening it, because I realized there was a little bit of residue from the sharpening on my tomatoes, so that's just a little heads up. But yeah, I will link the item in the description box, and if you guys have any comments or want any answers to anything, I would be happy to do that. So please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.